Jose sold a painting for $2,000. If he made a profit of 25% on the sale, how much had he paid for the painting? So here we are asking to find the cost price of the painting, and the $2,000 here is the selling price of the painting, which means it is the sum of the cost price and the profit. So to solve this problem, first we can let the cost price of the painting as X, and since the selling price is the sum of the cost price and the profit, so we can make an equation that the cost price plus profit is equal to the selling price. And what we need to remember is that the profit is always calculated on the cost price. So in this problem, a profit of 25% means that it is 25% of cost price or 25% of X, not 25% of 2000. So from this equation, we can rewrite as X plus 0.25X. So here we write the percentage of the profit as a decimal, and since the selling price is 2000, then the right side will be equal to 2000, and X plus 0.25X is equal to 1.25X. So we get a linear equation, and to find the value of X, we divide both sides by 1.25. So we get X is equal to 1600. So the answer for this problem will be B. And actually, to solve this problem, we can use another approach, which is using ratio and proportion. And to solve this problem using that method, first we can let the cost price of the painting as 100%. And since we know that the profit is 25%, it means that the selling price, which is the sum of the cost price and the profit, then the percentage of the selling price will be 100% plus 25%, or equal to 125%. So now we can make a ratio of the selling price and the cost price, and therefore the ratio of the cost price to selling price will be 100 to 125. And since we let the cost price as X, and we know that the selling price is 2000, then we have another ratio of cost price to selling price, which is X to 2000. Now we have a proportion here, and to find X, we can use cross multiplication. So we have X is equal to this expression, and we can calculate it. We can calculate this, and we get the same result as our previously method, which is X is equal to 1600. So you can use one of these two methods, which is you can choose which one is more suitable for you. And what we need to remember from this problem is that the selling price of a product is equal to the cost price plus its profit, or if it is a loss case, then the selling price will be equal to the cost price minus loss, and profit and loss are calculated on cost price.